In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an HTML email template to HubSpot. We'll start on your HubSpot home screen. From here, open the Design Manager. This is where you'll store and edit template files. In the Design Manager, create a new file, then choose HTML plus HubL. HubL is HubSpot's templating language, and selecting this tells HubSpot you want to work with custom code. Click Next, then set the template type to email so the system treats it as an email layout. Give your file a clear, memorable name and choose a folder if you're organizing your assets, then create the file. You'll land in the code editor. This is where you customize your HTML template. You can paste in your existing email HTML or build it right here. Keep email best practices in mind. Use table-based layouts, inline CSS, and absolute URLs for images. If you're comfortable with HubL, you can reference personalization variables and smart content, but keep your code clean and test-friendly. When you're happy with the structure, publish your changes to save and activate the template. After publishing, copy the full HTML you intend to use in the email. Next, head to Marketing, then Email. Create a new email and choose the regular type, which is great for one-off or campaign sends. Select Start from Scratch so you're working with a blank canvas. In the editor, drag a text module into the email body. Open that module and paste in the HTML you copied from your template. If your editor shows a source or HTML view, use it to ensure the code is inserted correctly. Give it a quick scan to confirm the layout renders as expected inside HubSpot's editor. Now, move to your send options. Select the contact you want to send to. Using a test contact first is a smart way to validate how the email looks in an actual inbox. Enter a clear, compelling subject line that reflects the content of your message and avoids spammy phrasing. When everything looks good, click Review and Send. HubSpot will run basic checks and show you a summary so you can confirm the sender details, recipients, and content one last time. If you have the proper permissions and you're ready to go live, click Send. That's it. You've imported and sent an HTML email template through HubSpot. If this walkthrough helped you, subscribe for more.